Here are the steps to access tools in Core Web. After logging into Core Web, locate tools on the left side and click the drop-down menu. From here, it's going to open a few different options for you. You can easily click into the command center to view this, which will allow you to send, receive, bridge, swap, and buy in Core Web. In the Tools tab, you can also access the Testnet Faucet. This can be used to get test funds on the Fuji network for your project if you're a developer or you're working on building out a project. Here you can select the network as well as test nets from numerous other projects, the token type, and then you can request this. It should be noted that this is a Testnet Faucet and the funds are not real. They do not have any monetary value and they're used for testing purposes only. Also, drops are limited to one request every 24 hours. If you happen to have an additional request beyond this, please reach out to our team via the chat box at the bottom of the window and we can assist with that. Back on the Tools section, you can also access the Subnet Stats. This is where you can see statistics across all subnets easily. If you click, it's going to open a window on the Explorer where you're going to be able to view transactions, the max TPS observed, as well as the gas that's been used. You can see active addresses, compare subnets, access contracts, and compare there as well. This is very important for numerous reasons, and it's all available there easily through the Tools tab. If you go back to the Core Tools section, you can also access Network Stats. This will bring you to stats.avax.network. Here, this will give you an overview of the C chain and numerous other statistics that are available. You can click the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner, and this will allow you to check multiple different statistics that are available. Again, back in the Tools section, you can also access the Avalanche Metrics API. This free API is used to power your analytics with Avalanche Network, such as subnet usage, staking operations, and more. You can click and this will open another window, which is metrics.avax.network, where you can access additional information that is available. If you have any additional questions about the Tools section or Core Web, please reach out to support.avax.network and an Ava Labs team member would be happy to assist you.